In this Fish for Fun video, my wife and I take our grandson and his girlfriend to Truman Lake to do some longline trolling. A problem we've encountered is that the wind is very strong today, so it's very limited where we can go. So come along with us and let's see if we can get the kids into some fish. The winds were projected to be about 20 miles an hour or more, and the only place I could think of that would be safe to fish would be to get in behind the dam. Although the wind was a lot less here, it was still pretty strong, but we were determined to try to catch some fish in spite of the wind. As soon as we started trolling, we started marking several schools of shad with some fish mixed in with them. And when I found this school of shad with the white bass hitting into them, I knew we were in business. As usual, it didn't take my wife long to hook into a fish. Back up and get us all.
You're all right in it, Grandpa.
Okay.
Yeah, you're already in it.
For those of you that might be looking for tips on how to catch fish, it helps if you wear your life jacket on backwards.
Good job, honey. Just one after the next.
Caden, stand up here and take this cap and keep pointing this for me. Get right up there. Control. You just have to fight him out.
Oh man. Oh, he's hung up on a. Oh no! I think he's hung up on a. Oh yeah, he's in the line.
Oh, that's Caden, get your rod.
It's a white bass. Or a white bass.
It's a big white one.
Wow.
I got it.
I reeled it up.
I want a picture on my phone.
Hold your rod up high, hon. There you go.
Good job, man. Look at that.
Wow.
I want to get a picture of you holding it too, so you can feel it too.
Okay. Turn around, hon.
Well, you're
Yeah.
close.
Now how about a big old smile?
Yeah.
We're hoping for.
You need to hold your rod out away from her line. You're bringing it right up her line.
Well, it might already be on it from earlier.
Whatever position.
Yeah, I don't have a choice. We were lapped up way earlier. I think he's fairly big because he's hard to reel in.
Raise it up over hers. No. This under. There you go. Now you're good.
I'm not.
Look at him swimming. This is a fighter.
Wow.
He is. Make sure he gets in though. There you go.
stand up so you stand up so you can get him a little bit more.
You guys know, you know.
Good one.
I reel mine in. It's a little one compared to Grandma's.
Still a keeper though.
Hold the line up.
Just be careful,
Give
baby.
me
Don't put your hands.
Give me that big smile. Yeah.
Can I have one too? Careful with this one. That last one got. Oh man, this is big.
If you bring them in a little faster, they won't get into the other rods quite as bad.
Really? Okay. I was afraid to lose them. Last time.
Bring it in on the left.
It really does.
Not too far. Now this one's ready. No, you're still too far. Now raise it up. There you go.
Don't slap Grandpa's fish.
It's a pretty big one.
Good job.
Just now hit it, huh? Well, that happens a lot when you reel them in.
I'll be done.
Not too close.
Bass.
Get it, Caden.
You got it, baby?
Left so I can get a picture.
Everybody got their whistles ready?
Faster you reel them, the better, at least less chance.
So it's okay for me to reel fairly fast?
Yeah.
Well, I'm used to you telling me not to reel fast.
If you stick it in your stomach and put your hand out there, you can do it better. Hey. Swing it around.
You got mine?
Yeah, I got her lure.
Somebody grab me those pliers. Yeah. One of these times it's not going to be a bass, though. It's going to be a shark.
I don't think so. So it's not a drum.
Oh, I forgot about those.
Oh my
That's
God.
like one of the only ones you can't eat, isn't it?
Can you get him in?
I don't know. It's not wanting to come now.
Are you reeling?
No, I can't
And Willis, finish.
right now.
Huh? It is maybe a big fish. Reel those other ones in.
I don't even know where it is. Oh, I get fouled up. It's going in a circle. Yeah.
Snagged them.
I'm gonna sit down
I
before
gotta get
fall
on the
down.
other side.
I know, I gotta sit down before I fall down. That's way.
Oh yeah, there she goes. She's not happy. She don't want to come in.
No,
No?
Get him on in.
Oh, I think I got one too.
That's what I was saying. Yeah, something hit on that.
I thought it was just me. Well, I hope we're not doing the same one. Looks like our lines might be crossed.
Yeah, but
Look at that. We both caught a fish at the same time,
We
man.
sure did.
Isn't that cool?
Don't reel it up too close, Caden.
I will.
There you go.
Masterfully done. Wow, bro. Now you can't even hardly get enough time to put them in the box. You're just walking back in circles. Here, I'm gonna sneak by you.
you gotta help her on her.
You got it?
You need to go. Put it somewhere.
know, it'd take forever for me to get yours. Here, yeah, hold up like that. Ready? Alright, I think I get it. No, hold on. For some reason my finger. You got it?
Yeah, just don't have it too close to my face because
Okay,
it'll
got
stop
it.
me.
Well, the kids work nights, and so we had to leave, but they sure had a great time, and Grandpa and Grandma had a great time too, and we hope that you enjoyed coming along. We caught a few fish in spite of the high winds, and so I would call this a pretty successful trip. If you haven't done so, please subscribe and hit that notification bell. And to those of you that have already subscribed, we really appreciate your support.